What's up, people? Welcome back to Cooking with Dan number 3.
Got the horses in the bag, horse stock is attached.
Disclaimer: this series is for entertainment purposes. I am not a certified chef. Enjoy the video.
In this video, we're going to be making yummy Dino Buddies chicken breast nuggets. Your ingredients will need the actual Dino bites, some thongs, a platter for the mini oven. First of all, you're going to press the oven. You're going to heat it up to 350 as it says on the packaging. And then you'll start. And this should heat up for about 2 minutes. While preheating, you're going to want to display your favorite prehistoric creatures onto your pan. Not your pan, your rack. You're going to want to pick up your tray, slide it on in, and let it cook. Oops. Let's change this. And you're going to want to let it cook for however long it says on your packaging. For me, it's about 5 to 7 minutes total. So about at 3.5 minutes, you're going to flip them over. Take out your food, set it onto a table, and then flip all these over. Before, make sure to use some safety utensils while flipping it over. You don't want to burn yourself. Okay, once flipped over, just slide them on back in for the remainder of the time. For me, it's 3.5 minutes, and then I'll be back to you then. Then once done for good, take them out, set them down, and wait a good 3 to 5 minutes for them to cool off, and then enjoy. Very good.